So when you're doing your lab 3, one of the things you have to remember is that your virtual machine is by default somehow hiding the extensions of your files. So for example, if I create a new file here on the desktop, in this case a text file, and I'll just say test or something, and as you can see, it doesn't say test.txt because the file extension is being hidden. And even if I change the file extension by changing the file name, test, I will say just .txt here, it doesn't really change the true file extension because it's just changing the file name. So in this case, if I make the file extension actually show by changing the operating system setting, you'll see that the file name is in fact test.txt.txt. So for you to be able to successfully do the lab, you have to make the file extensions actually show up by changing the operating system configuration. So the way you can do it is, first of all, start your File Explorer. So to start your Windows or File Explorer, just press your Window key and E key together, and this is your File or Windows Explorer. Here, go under Organize and you see Folder and Search options. Click on that and then click View tab, and then if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see Hide extension for known file types is enabled in this case. So I have to disable this by clicking on it and then click on Apply and then click OK. Now when we go back to our file, as you can see, the true file extension is showing up. So when we change the file name by adding an extension .txt, the true extension didn't actually change. So what you really have to do is, first of all, like I said, make sure you show the file extensions and then change the file extension itself. For example, like this. So if I change the extension here now to doc or something, this is when the extension of the file is actually changing. And if you do that, typically you will get this message. So if you don't get this message, that means your file extension is not actually being changed.